Spaghetti is complete meal by itself. It has protein, carbohydrate, vitamins and fiber. It has no cholesterol. So let's get started and make spaghetti. First, in a bowl, put 150 grams of boneless chicken cut into long strips, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon soya sauce, half teaspoon vinegar and mix well and marinate for 10 minutes. Next, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped fine and saute for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1 onion chopped lengthwise and saute for 2 minutes on medium flame. Add marinated chicken and saute until it turns white on medium flame. Add half capsicum chopped lengthwise and saute for 1 minute on medium flame. Add 1 tomato chopped fine and saute for 1 minute. Add salt to taste, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, half teaspoon of vinegar and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of water and mix well. Add boiled 250 grams spaghetti and mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 bowl of greens of spring onion, mix well and cook for 1 minute. Delicious and tasty spaghetti is ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe, and if you have not already subscribed, please don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this site for you to click and see. Take very good care of yourself and your family. Stay healthy, happy and fit. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.